Who's holding you accountable? See, most people don't realize that one of the most important aspects of business, one of the most important aspects of being successful is accountability. It's accountability to do what you say you will do. It's accountability to take action, to go out there and continually push and move and adjust. So, who's holding you accountable? That's one of the biggest questions that I get asked is, well, I'm going to do this. I always say, who's holding you accountable? Who is going to make sure you do this? Who is going to make sure you take action? Because if you do not have someone holding you accountable, it becomes very easy to stop worrying about it, to just let it go. So I want to encourage you guys, figure out who is holding you accountable. So one of the things me and my partner Steve are working on right now is this launch. We're doing a beta launch, and I need your help holding me accountable. So I'm going to post a link down below. And in that link, you can sign up to hold us accountable. We're going to launch this thing. We've got a beta program. We've been working on it a while, but it's gotten to the point where it's like, either you're done or you're not. Time to fly. So if you are willing to help hold us accountable, I want to encourage you, click the link, get registered, put your name on the list to hold us accountable, because that's what we need. We need pressure. We need people to come in and say, listen, you said you were going to do it, so do it. That's what I'm looking for right here. See, I want you to hold me accountable. So if you're willing, I'm going to put a link down below. Join me, hold me accountable to launching this program. Because let's face it, anytime you launch something new, there's a lot of head trash. There's a lot of doubt. There's a lot of confusion behind it. So I want you to think about in your business, what's holding you back? What is keeping you from taking action? The action that you know you need to make. What is keeping you from pushing and going out there and doing what you know you need to do? Is it accountability? Because my guess is one of the reasons, so take goal setting. One of the reasons a lot of us don't write down goals is because we feel more accountable to goals we write down compared to goals we just think about, right? That's one of the reasons people don't tell other people about their goals. Accountability. So I want you to think about where you're stuck right now. Right now in business, where are you stuck? Okay? Who's holding you accountable? Who is there pushing? And I say pushing because a lot of people don't like, I don't want push. Guess what? You need pushed. If someone doesn't push you, and if you're not willing to push yourself, you will never go anywhere. So you need pushed. So I want to encourage you, if you are stuck, it's because you don't have anybody pushing you. So who is going to be that accountability partner? Could be a friend, colleague, spouse. It could be someone you don't even know. You don't even really get, just ask, okay? You must have accountability. The number one reason people do not succeed is because they don't have someone holding them accountable. See, that accountability is the key. Accountability is the key to growth. It's the key to putting yourself out there. As soon as you start hiring people, so if, let's say you're an entrepreneur, you're still getting going and it's just you on your team, as soon as you start hiring people, it is your job to hold them accountable. I get it. You want to be their friend. You want everybody to play nicely. I get it. But it is your job to hold them accountable, because if you do not, they're not going to. And if you don't hold yourself accountable, listen, we are built not to be hypocritical. So if you don't hold yourself accountable, it will be way harder for you to hold them accountable. You will give them the excuse, oh, I know, it was snowing. It was pouring rain. It must have been real hard to get out there and exercise. I get it. I was there. See, you're giving them the excuse. No, accountability is not about excuse making. It's about having the pressure to do what you know you need to do in spite of the fact that you do not want to do it. Because let's face it, there's lots of stuff out there we don't want to do. But that doesn't mean we shouldn't do it. So I want to encourage you guys, if you're stuck, find someone. Tell them where you're stuck and why you're stuck. And just say, listen, I need you to hold me accountable to it. I need you to push me. I need you to push me to be better, to be stronger, to be harder. I need your help. Because accountability is the best thing about having a coach, right? You think about professional sports. All the coaches are people who hold them accountable to what they said they were going to do. That's what a coach is. It's an accountability partner. It's someone there to motivate you, to push you, to encourage you to go further, to go faster, to go harder. So find someone to hold yourself accountable. And please, if you're willing, hold me accountable to this launch. I'm going to put a link down below. Click the link. Put your name on the list. It's just a list of names of people who said, Justin, you said you were going to do it. Now do it. This is public accountability, okay? So if you want help, I'd love it. If I can help you, I would love to help you. Just let me know. Do you need someone to kick you in the butt? Help hold you accountable? I might be the person who can help. I might not. But we'd never know until we had a conversation. So reach out. Message me. Smoke signals. Carrier pigeon. I don't care. Let's have a conversation. If I can help, I will. All right, guys. We'll talk to you soon. I'll put the link down below. And with that said, have a fantastic day. And go be accountable. Do it. Do